Hi children, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am discussing kinematics. So up to last video I discussed more concepts. Today in this video I want to discuss how to calculate average speed in the graph. If the question is in graph model, so how to calculate average speed. Already we know how to calculate average speed in numericals. So that is total distance by total time it will give average speed. Today I want to discuss here. Already we know average speed equal to total distance by total time. So here average speed equal to total distance by total time. Already we know this formula. So today I want to discuss how to calculate average speed in the graph. So in graph I want to calculate. So generally the average speed we can calculate by using this formula, total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. For example, this is xy axis. We have the graph, this is the origin. So I am taking on x-axis, this is the distance. Otherwise, I am taking on x-axis time. Here on y-axis distance. So, for example, this is 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, time in seconds. So distance in meter. So this is 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter. So I taken the time in seconds on x-axis. So distance in meter on y-axis. So for example, the graph like this. The graph like this. This is the question we have. By using this graph, how do we calculate average speed? So generally the formula average speed equal to total distance by total time. So if the graph is given, how do we calculate? So for that one, how do we calculate? Let us look here. For example, at 5 seconds, the distance, if it is here the point, so this is the extension. At 5 seconds, the displaced distance, for example, here 7 meter. This is the time. At 10 seconds, the distance, for example, this is 15 meter. So at a time, the particle, see at 5 seconds, the particle traveled 7 meter. At 10 seconds, the particle travel distance equal to 15 meter. So here first one is T1, second one is T2 time. At time T1, the distance will be S1. At time T2, the distance will be S2. These are the points. So at time T1, the particle is at S1 distance. At time 2, the particle is at S2 distance. By using this information, we can calculate average speed, that is S2 minus S1. So this minus this point. S2 minus S1 by T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. We can write like this, small t. S2 minus S1 by T2 minus T1. So here between 2 points I am calculating average speed of the particle, that is S2 minus S1 by T2 minus T1. At time T1, the distance of the particle, the travel distance is S1. At time T2 equal the travel distance S2. This is a formula, S2 minus S1 by T2 minus T1. This is nothing but slope of the graph. This is nothing but slope of the graph. This is the formula we are using in calculating average speed in the graph. So we can say like this, S2 minus S1 by T2 minus T1, that is nothing but slope of the graph. This is a simple method how do we calculate. First put a point, then regarding to this point how much distance is there, regarding this point how much distance is there. This is 2 minus s1 by t2 minus t1. This is the average speed of the formula. Thank you.